Guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. This is C. How are you doing? I'm doing well. Today is Saturday for me. I don't know what day you're going to watch it, but happy Saturday if you watch it today. Today I am just going to do a quick video. I got a wig from our favorite place. Show it to y'all. Show it to you. And we're going to see how this wig comes out compared to how it looks on Amazon. But guys, I hope you're doing well. How are you? Me, I am doing fabulous. My lips are popping. I love my lip gloss. One moment, guys. I'm going to show y'all the picture of it. And I'm just going to blow dry my hair because I just shampooed it. And we're going to get this wig put on and see. This was a very inexpensive wig. Something that so I could start massaging my scalp. I just wanted to let my scalp be in the sun for a little bit. So I'm going to wear my wigs if I go out anywhere. But my wig came yesterday, so I decided I'm going to install it today. But I'm looking for the picture. I did a screenshot of the picture so I could show you guys. One moment, guys. I got it. Where is it? Here it is, guys. Here it is, guys. This is the way the wig is supposed to look. So let's see what we can do. This is from our favorite place, Amazon. So I didn't open it yet. I'm waiting for you guys. So see, it's not open at all. So we're gonna open it now. Opening this wig. Let's see what she do. Okay. Pretty cool. And no, it's not. I paid my money for this wig. It's not promotion. I paid my money for this wig. So y'all can let me know how y'all like her, because I can do a giveaway for her. Giveaway. So this is a cute little bag. Perfect hair for you. It's a cute little bag, y'all. Cute little bag, okay? So let's see. Because I do have to blow dry my hair. So let's see how she look. I just want to show her to y'all. Let y'all see that I have not opened her yet. So we're opening her now. Oh, what was that? Something fell out, y'all. Something fell out. What was that? All right, let me see. What was this? I don't know. A gift? I don't know what it is. But they gave this with it. Is it a bracelet? Let me see. I don't know. A hair tie? I don't know. That came with it. So, taking her out the bag now. I don't plan on bleaching the knots or anything. Let's see how she looks. So, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I'm not used to buying wigs. I usually make mine, but I was feeling lazy. So let's see. First off, it has combs in it, and I don't like my wigs with combs, because they tend to hurt me, my sensitive behind scalp. But look at her, y'all. What y'all think? What y'all think she gonna do? What she do? Okay. She got a little part. She got a little part. And I don't know, y'all. Let's see, because I usually make my wigs like this. They say she is, let me see. Let me see now. They say she 100% human hair. Y'all think she human? Perfect hair for you. Beauty and love and youth. Creative beauty. Shared beauty. 100% human hair. At least 8 months with good care is how long you can have her. That's what they said. It's a 15-day return or refund policy. And then she has her email here. Email Taylor, SHOU, at 163.com. So that's the tag that came off of her. So first I'm going to prepare my hair. Because as I mentioned to you all, I just shampooed it. So I'm just going to do a quick blow dry. Oh, she came with some lashes. Look at that, y'all. And then she came with a cap. I always keep those on deck. Anything else? Nothing else, guys. That's all she came with. So first I'm going to just quickly blow dry my hair, which is going to take 2 seconds. So it's going to get a little noisy. Here she is. She's not that wet because I washed it a little bit ago. Okay. Just going to get it a little moisturized so it's not so dry. Ooh, Lord, the glasses went flying, y'all. And I just want to thank y'all for all the wonderful comments that y'all leave me, the tips and everything. I just want to say thank you because y'all didn't have to take time to do it, but you do. And I appreciate it. I read every comment. I try to comment to all of the comments. I even got comments on my last live in Spanish and I think in Italian, and I made it my business to reply to those. So I thank you all. And I don't want y'all to think I get offended by your comments. I really don't, because everyone has opinions and I'm here for it all. If I was someone who was self-conscious and shy and easy to get upset and easy to feel down, I wouldn't be able to do this, y'all. So I just want y'all to know it took a long time for me to get here. And I'm here. And no, I don't get offended easily. I know who I am. And I know this here doesn't make me. And I'm just here to have a little fun and help who I can in the process. But thank you all for rocking with me. Why don't you hit the like button, comment, keep subscribing, keep commenting, keep it coming, ask questions. Y'all know my email if you need me. I have gotten several emails helping people. My email is CEE, the letter O, LIFECO, life, at gmail.com. If you need me, I'm here for you guys because you all are here for me. And I thank you. So we're going to blow dry her real quick. Oh, she ain't working. Let's see. Gotta press the magic button here. Let's see. Uh-oh. The magic button ain't working. Hold on, I'll be right back. There it is. Oh! Bloopers, guys. Bloopers. All right. Blow dry. Y'all say I can rock my bald head. And one day I maybe will. Look, y'all. One day. I'm not scared to do that, but I still just like doing my hair, having a little fun. Because I know once I cut it off, it's going to be harder for me to apply wigs, and it's going to be harder for me to do the things that I like to do. I have the freedom of not having to wear wigs, but I still like hair. I sure do. I sure do. But one day I'm going to come on here and say, y'all told me to do it. And I'm going to just chop it off one day. And then don't expect no videos from me after that. I'm just playing, y'all. I'll find something to give y'all a video about how to shave your head. Just having a little fun. I feel good today, guys. I'm not pouting about doing this bald head because I'm not actually doing it. I'm just applying a wig real quick. So we're going to get her braided down. Braid her down. Look at my ashy elbows, y'all. Ooh, that is not cute. I got some lotion over here, y'all. We're going to take care of them ashy elbows right now. Because I just came out the shower. You see, y'all, look. You know what happened? I stopped using that oatmeal soap I told y'all about, and look, it came back. So I got to get me some more of that soap. So y'all know that soap works. Remember I told you I was using oatmeal soap in my skin? And now I'm seeing that those dry patches is coming back because I ran out of oatmeal soap. So Amazon order, there will be another one. Today, this evening, I'll order my soap again. Just gonna do 3 quick braids. Quick. Braid in my memory, y'all. Y'all be like, what's she braiding? I don't know, y'all. Gripping something. It's called I'm Using My Imagination. Y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all. Sometimes it feels good to let this old bald head breathe. When that air get on it, it feels good. I'll be going out in the back, in my backyard, and just let the sun hit it sometimes. Maybe I go live when I do that one day. Y'all can see the sunshine on my bald head. What y'all doing this weekend? Kids went back to school. Thank you, Lord. My AC bill can go down, my electric bill. Because my child be having this place in here freezing. I'm hot. Don't want to go outside. Don't want to do nothing. But want to freeze me out in here. But them babies back in school. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. I could keep some food in my refrigerator. I know y'all moms know what I'm talking about. Them kids be off the chart. It's too hot outside. Ain't it supposed to be hot in the summer? I don't know. Oh, goodness, y'all. Did these braids real quick. I'm going to put some lotion on my elbow. Y'all don't be talking about me. I be getting on here. I'm not trying to be glamour girl. I just be trying to do something real quick, and then afterwards I get right. But I ain't going to subject y'all to my elbow being all ashy, you see? Got a call coming in. Hold on, y'all. How can I help you? State your business. How can I help you? State your business.
Are you doing overtime? You working? What are you doing? Are you doing a video?
He all in my business, y'all. Yes, sir, I am. He want to say hi. Say hi. He say hi to y'all.
Hello, everybody on the internet. Hi.
It's called YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
They say hi.
All right, bye.
All right, bye. He be all in my business, y'all. Or in my business. All right, so should we use the cap they gave us? Let me see. I had this one. It's practically the same thing. Wait, which one should I? Maybe I should use this. Then I ain't gonna have to do no foundation. Let's see, y'all. Let's see what we got going on. See, my hair is nice and braided down. Y'all want to see? Because I know y'all be like, yo, you didn't show the braids. You didn't. I'm going to show it to y'all. See? That's my bald head, y'all. Okay? So, what's up? All right, so we're going to put on this cap. We're going to put on this cap. We're going to put on this cap. We got 2 caps. All right, so we're going to put this on. Hubby be all in my video trying to sabotage my video. What's wrong with him? Now, come on. This cap look dark, but it's light. I'm still going to have to put some foundation on it. But we're going to get it right. Let's see. So, foundation. We're just going to put a little bit. A little bit. Hold up, y'all. Let me find it. Let me find it. Put her there. Okay. My doctor said, you need new foundation. How about I need some money to buy it? How about that, girl? You need new foundation, mama. How you know? Do you wear foundation? How you know what I need? That's my boss. That little girl be trying to boss me around. She in the kitchen. She probably can't hear me. But yeah. She be trying to boss her mother around. But here we gonna add the foundation to the cap. Because we didn't bleach no knots. Remember, we just took it out. So we're going to add the foundation to the cap. Real quick, real quick. They say this is a glueless wig. So we just going to put it on and see what it do. We're going to add a little foundation to the part. So this is, wait, can y'all see it? This is the inside of the wig. It's not a full lace. So we just gonna add some foundation to the front part where not a lot, just a little. So it's not so white. How y'all think this wig gonna look, y'all? How y'all think she gonna look? All right. I don't like these combs. See, it has 1, 2, 3 combs. So 2 on the sides, 1 in the back. All right, I don't know, y'all. That's why I make my own wigs, because these wigs, they don't be working out for me too well. My head don't be right. Oh Lord, this thing feel like it don't even fit. Let's adjust her. Let's adjust her. So we're gonna spray a little got to be around the edges because this cap is sliding back already and rolling up and rolling up. So that's one of my things that I do on my cap sometimes. Because I have I don't know if it's big or small. But my head, a big head, small head. So we're going to adjust this cap because it's too big right now. So let's see. Get this adjusted. Adjusted. I can't get it out. It's like a hook. All right, so I want to take this. I'm taking this comb out, y'all. Let me see with my scissors. I don't like combs in my wig at all. I'm going to take this one here out from the back. Just cut it. Because that sucker be hurting me. How many other people don't like combs in their wigs? I don't like it. So the comb is out. Took that comb out. So now I could easily adjust the wig tighter. Make it tighter. This is why I normally don't buy wigs. I usually make my wigs. Because, let's see. Stop complaining. Just get it on. Girl, could you come out, please? Thank you for cooperating. All right, I made it smaller. Let's see. These glasses. Yeah. Store-bought wigs are so not for me. But I'm still gonna try to make her. I'm gonna try to make her cute, y'all. I'm gonna try to make her cute. Let's see, y'all. All right, y'all. Let me see. You know these wigs, you gotta make them do what you want them to do. All right, so let's cut this lace. Let's cut this lace, y'all. Let's cut this lace. Okay. All right, we're gonna take off the glasses, so we're gonna be temporarily blind. Girl, your girl can't see. I think I could make her do something. She's trying to look cute. She trying. Okay. So we're gonna make us. Can y'all see me? Can y'all see what I'm doing? Slit. 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 Okay. We're gonna just spray a little. Got to be. Got to be. Got to be. Y'all know this, right? little bit, y'all. Just a little. Just a little. Just a little bit. Oh. All right, y'all. Y'all, when they say glueless, I'm wondering. Yo. I should have put my contacts on, y'all, because I can't see. I ain't even gonna pretend like I could see. I can't see nothing. Y'all. Let me see. Y'all gotta get this lace right. Get my band to hold this down. And then I could fix this lace a little bit more. Can't see me. Make me a little band because my hair band is upstairs and I don't feel like going upstairs to get it. Put this band here and let this dry. Did I just pull the earring out the ear? Yes, I did, honey. Oh no, I put the back off. All right, so hold that thought. All right. I'm wondering if I could use just this without putting water in it. Let's try it and see. This is Curl Mousse Maximum Wave. Let me try this and see what it does first. Because I don't feel like wetting it. Let's put some of this on it and see how she do. Okay, she kind of... It's a habit, y'all. When I pull this part behind my ear, that's a habit. I don't know, is it a bad habit? But it's a habit that I have. I take it this mousse is almost done. Okay, y'all, she giving. I don't like how she smell. What y'all think? Is she giving or should I send her back? I like it. I like it. I want y'all to leave in the comments if y'all think y'all want me to do her as a giveaway. Y'all can say yes or no. I could purchase another one today and I'll do that as a giveaway. So y'all leave a comment as to if y'all would like to have her. If y'all can make her do more than I am doing. If y'all could make her look cuter than I'm doing over here. Cause baby, I'm having a time. I'm having a time. I done ran out of mousse chair. The mousse is not moussing. Come on. I know you got a little bit more in there for me. No. No more. I gotta get some more. But she cute. I like it. I like it. Get these edges together. Am I fluffing too much, y'all? Do I have to get the flat iron out? These glasses. Put my thing back on. Okay. Lord, I do need new foundation, y'all. Mm-hmm. All right, so what we're gonna do is mm-hmm. I'm just gonna pull out two little pieces, y'all, to cover the lace a little bit. Let me get my got to be gel. My got to be gel. This one is what I use for the edges because it makes it stay. It's a little bit. Oh. Let me cut it a little bit more. Cut it a little bit. Now, let's see how we do this. Nothing major, just a little. Come on out, little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit. Here we go. That might be kind of thick. Let me see. Trying to do it without the extra plucking and all of that. I don't like it too thick now. This one is thin. The thickness I like. Real thin. What in the world? Why is this wanting to come? All right, guys. So I'm going to wet her down. And that will be that for that. So what y'all think of her? I think she's cute. I don't know, if hair feel kind of big to me. See? It's big. I might have to adjust it somehow. My head be too. But I like her. What y'all think? Just want a big hair. Big hair. What y'all think? As it I zoom, puff her up. What y'all think? I know some of y'all hate the baby hair and some of y'all don't care, but I like it. It's cute. She giving. I just wanted something different, something easy. And she giving. She all right. Now, if y'all want to know how much I paid for her, I could tell y'all that. But I'm going to wet it. I'm going to wet it down. I'm not wetting it now, but I'm going to wet it in a couple of minutes. And I'm going to take a picture and show y'all how it looked. And I'm going to put it in a video. But I'm looking to see if I could tell y'all what's the price of her. I know some of y'all could do a better job than me on this install. Hell no. Stop tucking it. Stop tucking it. I'm just so used to tucking my hair to leave it out. Stop tucking it. Stop tucking it. When I wet it down, I'm going to take a picture and I'm going to be like, but y'all like it? How y'all think it look? Do it look too terrible? How y'all think it look? It's supposed to be big. Maybe I cut it. But it's supposed to be big. Ow. But y'all, thank you for watching. Mm. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Y'all think I can get dressed and go out with her on? Yeah, I need to tack these down a little bit. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Oh, I'm sorry. I was going to tell y'all how much she cost. Hold on. I'll be all over the place, y'all. Let me find her in my Amazon. Amazon. Where's she at? Where you at, girl? So, it's different ones you could do. Okay, guys, this is the final look. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you like her. And if you like her, if a majority likes her, I'll use her and do a giveaway. I'll let you know how she holds up. But here she is, guys. What y'all think? Thanks for watching. Bye.